street leading into the neighborhood at Arbor Vitae and Leaf Arbor, heading down towards Pinemont and the Collier Library. The street itself is not flooded all the way up to Golden Forest from this point, but the neighborhood is flooded. And the street leading to Pinemont begins flooding at this point. No water, and then all of a sudden it's underwater. Let's go see how deep it goes. Collier Library is up ahead on the right, and right now I'm in the middle of the street, shallowest water, and it's about just above the ankles, deep in the street. Heading towards Pinemont. Car coming. See what happens with him. Coming out of the flood, and the driver decided to reverse and go back with the way he came. He probably could have gotten through depending on where he was going.